Hello and happy Valentine's Day. Welcome to our figurative language escape room. So you'll be doing 5 challenges. For each of the challenges, there is a direction slide like this. So be sure to read through the direction slide carefully to help you figure out what to do. But I'm also going to show you on each of these challenges what you'll be doing. Okay, so for this one, we're reading the meaning and matching the correct type of figurative language to it. So let's do let's see, a word. I'm going to just start at the top. A word whose sound suggests its meaning. Well, I know that's onomatopoeia, so I'm going to drag that up, and then I'm going to look over on the right for my example of onomatopoeia. And I believe it's this one where the teacher gasped, because we have that sound of her gasping. So what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to look on either the figurative language or the example for an underlined letter, and it's here on the O. So that is going to be my first letter here that I'm going to type. And I believe it does tell me to keep it all lowercase. Yeah, we want to keep it lowercase for when we type in the code. So once you get done matching all of these, there's going to be either an underlined letter over under figurative language or under the example, and you'll just go down and mark in your lowercase letters over here. I'm going to tell you it is not a real word that you will find once you complete this. Okay, so that's challenge 1. Let me go hop to challenge number 2. It's the flower garden. Okay, so again, make sure you read the directions really carefully. Those tell you what to do. But what you'll be doing is you'll be reading the sentences and matching the correct type of figurative language. So if I come over to slide 2, and there's 2 steps to this. I'm going to just start with number 1. The roses danced in the garden before being picked. Okay, well, I know that's personification because roses can't really dance. So I'm going to drag my personification over here. Now, to get my code for this one, I'm going to look at the color in number 1. Okay, so I'm going to match the color. I'm going to come down to my color wheel on slide 3. For my slide 3, I'm going to look for number 1. It was a red, so I have an R. And remember, it's going to be all lowercase again. So my first letter is red, it's R. So again, I'm going to do the same thing on slide 2. I'm going to match all of my flowers, my figurative language, to the examples. And then come down to my color wheel and match the color to the letter for my code, and then I can go enter it into our code slide. Okay. Challenge number 3, riddle me this. So you're going to be doing decoding on this one. So for this one, we have the riddle. What did the gnome say to the others on, to the other gnome on Valentine's Day? And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be using the puzzle decoder to help you solve this one. So my puzzle decoder is over here to my left. So let's say I want to look for the ice cream cone. And I know it's cut off the letter, but the ice cream cone over here is matched with the G. So I'm going to put a G here. Okay. Once I get my my riddle, my answer here, if I go back and look at all of the blue circled ones, that's going to give me my code. So I'm going to come over here and do all lowercase again and start typing in over here as I get my blue boxes as I figure those out. Okay, and again with the others, this is not a real word over here. It's just going to be a letter code. Okay, then I'm going to come to 4. 4 is a matching. So here you're going to read the sentence and then match the figurative language to it. And you'll get a 7-digit number from that. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to match the figurative language, and then the numbers over here are going to be my code. So let me see if I can find the first one as a hyperbole. So I know that's an extreme exaggeration. If I go over and look at my examples, looks like number 4. So if I click on the number 4 envelope and drag it, it will match up over there. And then I can type in my code, number 4, over here for my first number. So, and remember, this is going to be a 7-digit code for this one. So you'll just grab the numbers on the envelopes and type those into your code and then transfer them over to our answer sheet. Okay, last but not least, challenge number 5. Oh, here, I'm hovering right on it. This is a puzzle. So for this one, you're going to piece together the puzzle, and you can use the image here to give you a hint on what it should look like. Once you have the puzzle put together, you're going to see that some of the puzzle pieces have numbers on them, and you're going to be looking going across to find your 5-digit code. Okay, so let's go over here just to see. So like this puzzle piece has a 5 on it. So I know that goes somewhere. No, it doesn't. It looks like it goes like above here somewhere. So I'm going to drag these puzzle pieces over and match them up. Oh, it looks like that one's going to be up in the corner somewhere. So my digits might start with an 8. It looks like that's a corner piece. So that might be a good place to start as my corners. And I'm going to match those up, and then I'm going to go across and put my code together by looking at the number of orders going, the order of numbers going horizontally across, and I'm going to have my puzzle. So once you have completed this challenge, remember to go to the Google link that is in your team's assignment. And once you add all of your codes in there, you will get the answer to the riddle in Canvas, as well as a, I believe it's a 5-digit code that you'll put in to complete the assignment. Good luck. Have fun.